The following video should be used in conjunction with the instructions for use, packaged with every Posy product and your facility's policies and procedures. The Posy self-releasing belts are for patients needing a positioning device for added safety or those needing a reminder to call for assistance before exiting a bed. For most situations in patient use, self-releasing belts are considered a less restrictive device and should be tried before other, more restrictive methods are employed. To begin, open the waist belt and center it across the mattress. Open the hook and loop fastener on the connecting strap. Feed the end of each connecting strap around a movable part of the bed frame at waist level. Insert the strap ends through the white D-ring on each side and attach the hook and loop fasteners. After securing both sides to the bed frame, release the quick-release buckle and open the belt. Now, position the patient in bed with the belt at waist level. Bring the belt around the patient's waist and connect the quick-release buckle. The belt must be snug but not interfere with breathing. To check for proper fit, slide an open hand flat between the belt and the patient. Check that the straps are secure and will not change position, loosen, or tighten if the patient pulls on them or if the bed is adjusted. Posy recommends that full HBSW compliant side rails in the up position be used when a patient is restrained and unattended. Use side rail covers and gap protectors to help prevent the patient's body from going under, around, through, or between the side rails. The preceding video demonstrates the proper application of Posy products only. Prior to application, consult your facility's policies and procedures regarding the appropriate use of this product. The video should be used concurrently with the Posy application instructions, which include indications, contraindications, warnings, and more detailed product application information. Product application and instructions for use are included with each Posy product. You may contact the Posy company to request the product application instructions or download a copy at www.posy.com. If you have any questions, please contact us at 1-800-44-POSY.